The official winter season will be here before you know it. If you're an auto repair shop owner, you've probably felt the winter slowdown in your bays. Hey, I'm Deborah, the content manager at Autoshop Solutions, an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Most people aren't choosing to do elective repairs or maintenance on their vehicles at the end of the year and push it to the side until the new year. So today, we're going to discuss ways you can ramp up your marketing and help your shop navigate the winter blues. If your business is slowing down, there's no better time to increase your marketing. Be creative, find ways to get customers back in your bays. You can run maintenance specials, give your customers a chance to save money by running holiday specials that get them in your shop. Advertise a special for an oil change or a tune-up to end the year right. Promote the necessities. It's important to pay attention to those essential winter services. So invite your customers to check their heater, their defroster, battery, or wipers to ensure they are working correctly. You can offer complimentary fluids or battery checks with a service they purchase, or hold a holiday customer appreciation day where customers can win prizes or discounts. Advertise winter promotions. If you reside in a harsh winter climate, your customers may need snow tires. If not, offer an inspection to ensure the tread is in good condition. What about holding an annual end-of-the-year tire sale? Consider selling winter roadside emergency kits for gift givers, offering them as a gift with purchase, or hold a holiday giveaway. Still waiting to get out of the winter blues? As a shop owner, you should use every marketing avenue available to fill your base. If you last updated your website a while ago, it could be time for new keywords, new content, or images. Blogs can be a means to target winter services and draw more attention to your shop. Put those last few marketing dollars to work and run a winter or holiday PPC ad campaign. Make sure you're active on social media. Use catchy posts to catch your customers' attention. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more or have a question you would like us to feature in an Autoshop Academy video? Please submit your ideas or questions through the link below or by emailing our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.